Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid. Yeah, man, welcome to the channel. So today I am in Chilani. One place them call name Alps. So this is what it look like. When we are going to Falmouth area, we are drive through Chilani side from go through like Manchester, come them place there, go through Albert Town, Jackson Town, Ulster Spring. This area can be look a bit lonely. But we just want if you have an understanding how the place set up on that drive through the area. A lot of times we heard about this name, never get a chance to see this place.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Never get a chance to see this place, so I'm showing you what I go on. When all heard about it, big up on yourself, anyone that watch from. Yeah, and abroad, big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Marcia. Big up yourself, you have some real loyal fans on the channel here. Big up on yourself. You know, say, if it wasn't for you guys, this channel would not be growing. So I want to thank you all for the support that you're giving me over the years. Some loyal support, so big up on yourself. I remember we are in the Chilani area. Yeah, man, Chilani Parish.
Turn right onto B5, Jackson Town to Ulster Spring Road.
So we are driving on B5. So when I drive for them road there, you have to pull off on the road and give the big unit way to pass through. Enough people don't know that when they drive at Jamaica. Some people still speeding. So when they're speeding on the big unit are going to bump you off on the road. So you have to know how to navigate the road in Jamaica in certain areas. Because some of the road them very close. Very, very close. You know, it feels nice when people are walking on the countryside. You man see them people are walking and enjoy them walking. So there is nothing like the country, you know. Country life is the best. Look on them modern building here. Modern building. So on your left, you might have a New Testament Church of God in the Alps area. Big up yourself, mommy. That's a twin right there. Mommy, I take care of youths them, you know. So indicate where you're watching from. Never can tell, I can give you a shout out the next time in the video. I know I'm gonna say thank you all for stopping by again. Thank you all for the support. It's your tour guide Fire Raid. I don't feel no way now, you see. More time you see me get up and do some driving. On your left you have the Alpine. That's an Alpine building. Don't know if it's a restaurant or it's a club. Yeah, man. So when Fiery get up and say my drive out, it's a very, very hard task. The way how you have to deal with all the road users. So we just have to give thanks. Yeah, man, give thanks because you never know. Someone take the time out to drive certain journey. A whole heap of wear and tear. A whole heap of cost. A whole heap of expense. Yeah, man, so gas. And I take the time off and I couldn't know what I go on in Jamaica. See the beautiful areas. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself. Them place here come like the flow phone don't really pick up on them place here. So if you don't drive through that area and I will realize say your phone don't really pick up, so you can't really make a phone call so easy. Like you don't have any water in this area too now. Any running water, maybe a river. I see a lot of carts in this area with a lot of jugs. So maybe you don't have any running water like pipe water. Look at that view over there. What a beautiful settings over there with those houses. Nice, beautiful colors. It's a small town area. Yeah, man, some big house on the hill there. Still searching for signal in this area. GPS don't really pick up to see exactly where how far I'm at from the Falmouth area. You have the Seventh-day Adventist Church. time out for watching videos there and know Jamaica. If you love Jamaica, you want to visit Jamaica. Wow. Feel a pothole to my heart again, you know. Feel a pothole, man. So much drugged up on the roadside. Yeah, so say this, I don't want don't have any running water in this area. Maybe have a lot of, maybe have a river run through this area. A lot of cocoa farms in that area. And that Sheena cocoa, that Jamaica cocoa. Van in the area, all my farming that take place. Big up all the farmer them, and big up on yourself, youth. Work on the honest dollar. And the hot burning sun. So big up on yourself, the farmer them. Big up on yourself. Excuse me, good morning. What are your name? Chai? Saya? You know, some area we don't really have see no farmer signs, so we have to ask questions some of the time. I think they say it's a Sawyer area. Yeah, so see the road condition. Wow. So if you don't like the videos them, yeah man, leave in the comment section.
In 5.9 kilometers, turn left onto B11, Stewarttown to Rock Road.
So we are very close to Stewart Town. So Stewart Town is on B11, Stewart Town to Rock Road. So we're in the Sawyer area. Yeah man, the Sawyer area. Mommy, we still in the parish of Chilani and Falmouth. Chilani, right? Alright, thanks, yeah? Alright. So we're in the Sawyers area. Yeah, man, the place is confusing, brother. I have to ask some question. Sawyer, Chilani. Yeah. Alright, boss. Yeah, man. Boss, I don't want to miss nothing. Yeah, man, I have to see what I go on at the place, you know? Yes, so we're still in the Chilani Parish area. So they're doing some road construction on the side. condition is not too bad in this area.
In 300 meters, turn left. Turn left onto B11, Stewarttown to Rock Road.
So we're in the Jacksontown area.